Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is National Anthem Adoption Day. The National Anthem is the pride of India and Indians are proud of it. The anthem highlights India's national heritage and demonstrates patriotism and loyalty to one's country. Jana Gana Mana reflects the history, traditions and composite culture of India. It has been serving as an expression of national identity since its adoption. Composed originally in Bangla by Rabindranath Tagore, it was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the National Anthem of India on January 24, 1950. Now moving on to its origin and evolution. On December 27, 1911, Rabindranath Tagore performed the anthem for the first time during a Congress meeting in Calcutta. Tagore wrote the first anthem in Bengali, Bharato Bhagyo Bidhatha. It was later edited and translated as Jana Gana Mana. Its Hindi version was adopted as the national anthem on January 24, 1950 with an announcement by the then President Dr. Rajendra Prasad. According to Article 51A of the Indian Constitution, every Indian citizen has responsibility to uphold the Constitution's values and institutions as well as the national flag and the national anthem. As being a fundamental obligation according to Article 51A, Section A, one has to respect the national anthem and song. Later in 1971, the National Honor Act of 1971, Section 3 was introduced, which stated that strict punishment will be meted out for disrespecting the national anthem and breaking its restrictions.